Hello, my name is Philippe Terwat. I'm working for EBV Electronics and dedicated to embedded solutions.
Hello, Philippe. Thank you for having me. I'm Cyrus from Witekio, BizDev and Channel Manager.
So today we are going to engage a discussion about time to market, how to solve this concern from our customers. Because at EBV we see a clear change, and we see our customers having concerns about resources constraints, and they are willing to shorten the time to market development. So we were wondering if you, from the software perspective, see also the same behavior from the customers.
Absolutely. This is what we also see on the software front, and we refer to this as make or buy challenge or dilemma. Basically, R&D teams, they need speed, long-term quality, and flexibility when tailoring their tech stack to specific business needs. That's why off-the-shelf solution or the buy approach is popular, because why spending time, money, and resources in building something which already exists and does not add any unique value? Having said that, ownership remains a key factor, and a lot of R&D teams, in order to retain control, they go for the make options. Now, from your perspective, EBV's hardware perspective, how does this make or buy dynamic play out?
Yeah, we see at EBV a clear parallel between what you just mentioned about the software package and the hardware. Some customers will sell the first level of making chip-down design, but also a lot are migrating to a modular approach with modular solutions, semi-integrated solutions. And the goal is really to optimize resources, time, and investment. This comes from CEO, CTO, CFO. They are all requesting the same: go fast, engage fast, to get their product ready on the market very fast. And therefore, today, we engage with CPU modules so that the customers can move faster. Even CPU manufacturers are supporting us on opening this support for CPU modules, not only for CPU chip-down design. They understand that customers, they want to focus on their core competencies, their core business, their added value, whatever it is, medical, industrial. They will add their value where they're good at, not at something that can be done by another company and that has already been done. So pre-built solutions, for sure, is clearly a commitment that we see from a customer perspective. And our CPU makers are supporting us and promoting it also on their own. Yes.
Quite interesting notions there, and I think we're seeing the same trend on the software side. Basically, what do they want, all these device makers? They want to hit the market as soon as possible. They want to accelerate their designs. And to do that, Witekio can help them in different ways. For example, for those who want to hit the market very fast, we have off-the-shelf solutions. For example, we have developed a prepackaged Yocto-based Linux distribution, which covers up to 70% of all engineering teams' needs at OS level. This package includes an inbuilt update mechanism, secure boot, secure storage, DevOps tooling, and the last but not least, the most important one, long-term maintenance, which is essential for CVE monitoring in order to comply with Cyber Resilience Act. By doing that, our customers save a lot of time. So the question to you is that how does EBV's approach compare?
Yeah, our approach is to offer an already packaged solution that will include the CPU module, the memory, the power, and the storage. Based on those four components, you have a CPU module that can run anything you want: medical application, industrial, robotic, consumer, whatever you can run it based on this CPU module. And we can even offer standardized modules, meaning that you have Smart module, ComExpress, OSM, they will all be the same CPU modules. Not the same CPU on it, but the same form factor on the same pinout. So it is a design of the customers. But optionally, if customization is needed, we can obviously adapt the module by changing the size of the memory, adding wireless, changing the size of the storage also, and eventually support the customer on the carrier board. So we have also options that are not on the shelf, but that are customizable.
Thanks for that. The good news is that at Witekio we can support both approaches. So if you go for a make approach, we can provide you with our embedded services, custom development services. And if you go for the buy options, we have also off-the-shelf solutions, our new brand called the Embedded Kit. We can provide a hybrid approach. That means we do actually the make approach. We help them to adapt the product to their needs. That means we provide custom development. But in order to speed up development, while doing custom development, we will be using ready-to-use software pieces. That means we combine somehow make or buy solution. In this hybrid approach, they can go on with make while using some advantages of the buy approach. And that is how we help our customers.
Thank you very much, Cyrus. It was a pleasure talking to you. And I hope we will solve customers' concerns about time to market with those pre-packaged solutions.
Thank you for having me. And here is the message to all device makers out there. Whatever your choice, make or buy, we can help you.